Here's the uncomfortable truth most introverted entrepreneurs avoid. You don't need to be loud to win on YouTube or social media. Some of the smartest Nigerian brands are proving the opposite, quietly dominating through content. Take PiggyVest. They rarely shout. Instead, they educate. Simple posts about saving habits, relatable money struggles, and clear storytelling. The result is trust, and trust converts. Now look at GTBank. Their content is calm, polished, and consistent. From SME spotlights to practical business tips, they position themselves as a guide, not just a bank. Then there's Flutterwave. They use storytelling to highlight real businesses using their platform. It is not noise. It is proof. And proof builds credibility faster than hype. Here's the pattern: clarity over volume, consistency over charisma, value over visibility. If you are introverted, this is your advantage. You don't need to go viral. You need to be useful, repeatable, and trusted. So the real question is this: are you creating content to impress or content that actually helps? Because the brands winning right now made that decision early.